we're going to fly in this beautiful Robertson 66 helicopter, beautiful 5-seat turbine Swift machine, and we're going to depart from Port Douglas today, and we're going to head up to Paradise Palms, where 4 of you are going to play 4 holes of beautiful golf up there. We're going to come to the Sea Temple Golf Course in Port Douglas, and then we'll head up the coast. Beautiful coastal flight up to Cooktown Country Links course, another beautiful 9 holes of golf up there, and then we'll head off to the Lions Den Hotel to celebrate.
Murray Wenzel, 3rd shot into the 9th, couple off the lead. Oh, it's going right at it.
Being up this way for sort of 7-8 years and flying around and recognising how fantastic the place is, and certainly in tourism, who's it going to appeal to? Who isn't it going to appeal to? Anyone who plays golf, anyone who's into adventure. Basically everything that North Queensland has to offer, we go and basically experience it via a helicopter, and then we stay at amazing places overnight.